Guys, I got these mats from Amazon. I wanted to show you. I'm doing an unboxing. I'm going to put them in the back of my Honda Pilot. The mats will actually fit my Honda Pilot, which is a 2020. But from what I'm understanding, they will fit the newer 2023, and you can go back several years. That took about 30 seconds. They lay down perfectly. Once it gets hot, I think they're going to lay down totally. Yeah, there's a little wave right here, but that's just because they were in the packaging. Mats have been precisely laser cut to fit your Honda Pilot perfectly. And I tell you what, I wish I would have thought about getting these when I first got the Honda Pilot. I can't tell you how many problems I've had dumping Kool-Aid or something got in the back, whether it was snow boots or something else. These are very, very good material, very, very thick. It's exactly what I needed. And guess what? The price is right. I was looking at some of these from Honda, and they were real expensive. These are around $100 at the time of purchase. Let me go ahead and pull this up, show you how that works. And look at it, it just stays perfectly. It's just held on. This is held on by Velcro. So if I want to pull it off, you can see right through here. This is all Velcroed, and it stays, and it hooks right to your seat. And I mean, I love it. Look at this. I mean, it took me, honestly, all of maybe 2 minutes, and I went back and forth on it to make sure I had it perfectly, and I might have to adjust it just a little bit. I'm off just a little bit here, so I can adjust that. This is just absolutely a game changer for me. It's going to save my cargo area. Oh my gosh, I love it. I really love these. I can't tell you how much I love them. Strong build quality, the rubber's thick, they stay in place again. And I just have to flatten them out, you know, just a little bit, and I can do that. Let me give you a tip. When you're lining these up, you need to start at the very top. There's Velcro right up there and there, and then adjust it perfectly to the end of the seat. If you do that, they will lay flat, and it will look kind of like this. These match my Pilot perfectly, and then when you go to close it, it lines up. Yeah, there's a little bubble in there, but that can be squished out. And also, once it gets hot and the sun is on that, that's going to lay flat with the floor. That's just because, again, they were in packaging. But I really am impressed with these. Better than described. It's a little windy today. I hope the camera doesn't pick that up, guys. I'll put a link in the description if you guys are interested at all. Thanks, guys.